Your laugh is a lantern swinging in the dark, a warm little flame that finds my heart. Your touch is a river learning how to ride, swim me forward under open skies. Every moment with you is a spark in the mist. Yeah, being in love sounds a lot like this. Like wind through a canyon, soft but strong. Like a heartbeat teaching the night a song. Being in love sounds like this. Like a sunrise humming on our lips. Like 1,000 wings lifting us up. Like a drum that never gives up. Every breath, every kiss. Being in love sounds like this. Your smile is a compass pointing me home. A lighthouse glow when the world feels unknown. Your voice is a chord that settles my bones. A melody carved into ancient stone. Every step with you is a promise I can't miss. Yeah, being in love sounds a lot like this. Like a spark in the silence, catching fire. Like a choir rising higher and higher. Being in love sounds like this. Like a sunrise humming on our lips. Like 1,000 wings lifting us up. Like a drum that never gives up. Every breath, every kiss. Being in love sounds like this. You're the echo in my chest, the rhythm that I trust. You're the storm that turns to gold, the calm that lifts me up. Oh, I hear you in the quiet, I feel you in the rise. You're the pulse beneath the thunder. You're the light behind my eyes. Being in love sounds like this. Like a sunrise humming on our lips. Being in love sounds like this. Like a